Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on iTunes and App Store on your iPhone or iOS device that you own so you can download and update apps and music anytime you want. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it, and I'll guide you step by step. Now let's get started with the video. First, go to the settings of your device, then simply go to your settings and scroll down and go to the app section and go to the App Store. This is where you can control your iTunes and App Store settings. Make sure the switches for apps and music under automatic download are turned on. This ensures purchase and downloads work seamlessly. As you can see here, automatic downloads should be turned on. Then simply sign in, and if you haven't already, enter your Apple ID and password. Once you are signed in, your iTunes and App Store will be fully active and you can get anything from your Apple Store, that is App Store or iTunes Store, through your Apple ID. And that's it guys, you have successfully turned on the iTunes and App Store. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Apple tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.